Hey everyone, my name is Scott Hurst. My company is Kentucky Dent Guy. We're a mobile paintless dent repair company located in Louisville, Kentucky. We also service all the surrounding areas within 100 miles, sometimes even further. Today I wanted to show a video of a repair that we did on a 2016 Ford F-250. Had extreme hail damage that happened from storms in 2016. This was a brand new truck at the time, so my customer was adamant on not having any paint work done to it. So we worked with Kentucky Farm Bureau and got this vehicle back to new condition. So you can see here we actually removed the hood from the vehicle to be able to gain access to the back side of the sheet metal, be able to push these dents out. You can see how many dents there are. They're all very deep. There's some very large ones there in the center, all stacked up on one another, creating a large low. Definitely a very difficult repair. This hood is also made out of high-strength steel, so definitely a lot harder to push out than just regular steel. And you can see here in the natural reflection, again, just how many dents there are. So here's the hood all finished up. You can see with the lights that we used to do the repairs, the reflection of that in the panel just shows how perfect everything turned out. Everything is back to factory condition with no painting. Paintless dent repair is really an awesome repair because it's the only way you can get your vehicle back to factory condition without having to do invasive body work and painting. You can see here in the natural reflection of the room just how nice this turned out with the lights off the ceiling. The reflections will show distortion if there's any dents or waves left, and you can see just how perfect those reflections are. We were really proud of this repair. So here's this truck all finished up. The hood is reinstalled. All the dents are completely gone, like they never happened. And that is what you can expect from a high-quality paintless dent repair company. We work with all insurance companies, and we can handle hail claims from start to finish and be able to get your vehicle back to new. That is what we specialize in. So as you can see from the video, after we were able to repair this truck, it looked like new again with no painting. That's a huge thing because anytime you have paint work done on a vehicle, it actually hurts the value of your vehicle, especially hail damage, because if it has to be completely painted, it really hurts the value. So with paintless dent repair, it actually restores the value. So we were able to save this customer his new truck. He could drive off feeling like he still had a new truck. Everything was original, the paint, the panels, everything. There was no sign that we were even there, that we repaired it. So if you've got hail damage, if you've got any other types of dents, dings, large dents, creases, minor collisions, we fix it all. We'd love to help you out. You can reach out to us at 502-693-6882, or you can look us up on the web at kydentguy.com. Thanks a lot.